Well, welcome back everyone. We're going to put the 20-inch bar on the 391 here. This morning we're going to go out and find us a couple of cedar trees that we can mill. And I think we're going to get some lumber gathered up to rebuild our farm trailer that you have seen in so many of our videos dragging behind this mule. And I've got a couple of ideas. I think some cedar material laid down for the bed and side rails, and then put a clear finish on that to where it shines, will look really good behind the mule. We're going to probably put some new tires on it as well as paint the frame. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's head outside. First thing we've got to do is empty our little trailer out and get all that brush off there. We have done a lot of work with that little trailer here. This trailer on the inside of the bed is 49 inches side to side. I believe, we're 8 feet long. Overall width of the wheelbase, we'll get pretty close here, is 64 inches, which is almost identical to the mule. And this trailer tracks so well behind the mule that when I'm back here in the woods and all the videos you guys have seen, I very seldom have any problems with this trailer when we get into tight trees and things like that. So it maneuvers really well alongside the mule. But I think we cover this in cedar. Now I have also got enough oak cut that we may even be able to try to do the oak on this. But cedar with a clear stain on the rails as well as the bed. Like I said, we are ready for some new wheels and paint this frame. I think that would look pretty good sitting behind the mule. Stick that here. Let's drive back here and see if we can find us a cedar tree that will be the appropriate size and figure out exactly how much material we need here. And we may not have to drive too far. I think I can see one just about right over here. Let's take a look. Definitely have enough trees to choose from. This is getting to the right diameter. I do see some pretty deep inclusions here to where this thing is twisted and it's making a strong crown to the left hand side. There is a lot of board feet in that girl. But I think if we get down here and mill this out where it's climbing up in the way, we're going to waste a lot of the tree just trying to get down to straight wood for us. Let's keep looking. I definitely don't want to have to waste a tree. We're going to find exactly what we need and get the most out of it. This is a nice straight tree. We'd definitely be able to get some 2x4s out of that. That's not quite the diameter we need. Drive on in here and see what else we have. This one being right here off the tee pad for the golf course. Yeah, this ain't gonna work either. That's gouged in there about 2.5, 3 inches, as well as right there. Not what we're looking for. Now we're getting closer. This one right here is pretty good candidate. Solid all the way through, it looks like. I would say we're starting at about 9 inches there. At least 12 feet. Now right there may be one. Let's get in there and take a look at that one. That looks like that might be our candidate right there. We may have found it. Go up here and take a look at this. Almost the perfect diameter. And that tree's running straight up through there. There is a lot of lumber in that cedar tree. A little brushy in here to get to it, but once it falls out through that brush there, I think that's our tree, guys. There should be more than enough in that single tree in order to make what we need. Well, it's been all the way around the tree now, and I think that's the one we're going to take. We'll open up that black oak tree as well. Give us a little better view. All right, I have you guys sitting back here in the shelter of the tree. Let's hope it doesn't come back towards you. The mule's off behind us here. It's safe. Let's see if we can bring that one down. What a tree! Now, I haven't been doing a great job of squaring my logs up after I've dropped it. Now, the end of the tree is square. When I get to the milling station down there, I don't have to worry about trying to trim this up. And I also made a cookie for Rick. Now you've got some material to build you a clock with. That should make a nice one. That went perfect, guys. We're going to have 9.5 to 10 inches of redwood. And that tree is at least 30 feet, maybe even 40 feet long. In the next video, we'll process this tree, get it cut to length. I'm going to make 8-foot logs out of this. We're going to mill it up, and then we will take a look at the contrast between it and oak to rebuild our little farm trailer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you on the next one.